in the middle of the forest, but I still can make money with my pocket option auto trader. And do you know what you can too? You find link above the video attacks and you find link in the bio for YouTube. Let's start up the robot and let's see how money we make right now. So there, let's go and take a trade here now. We push start. We then will collect all the information for the pair. Let's see here now. Like I said, link above the video attacks and link below the video at YouTube. So here have now opened a trade, and just like that, $460. So that's how fast and easy we can make money wherever we are. So I hope you like this type of videos. I will continue with it and I'm going to take it a little step farther very soon. So I take trades now on the fly where I am. So enjoy. Have an amazing day.